Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to be applying a 360 wig. You guys, I usually do not do 360 wigs, but the fact that this one actually fits my head properly, I was just like, yes, I'm here for it. It has like these little invisible strings in the back, which really does help with how the back is looking. So if you guys want to see how I install this wig from start to finish, then please continue to watch. Now the wig that I'm rocking today, it's from OMGHerHair. I have worn their wigs in the past, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. I have it on my mannequin head. It could go into a ponytail. Now this one is a 180 density, so it's a little bit more on the thicker side. I feel like I should have gotten a 150 density though, just so I can make a more slick high ponytail with it. So this is what the wig looks like. It has lace all the way around, and it has these invisible strings in the back, which absolutely love these because this really helps the wig to be, you're able to wear it in a ponytail without it looking crazy in the back. You guys know what I'm talking about, because listen, I've tried 360 wigs in the past and it was a fail. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away the extra lace. You want to be very careful not to cut the invisible strings in the back, because that's really what's going to help your wig to adjust when you put it on your head and try to wear it in a ponytail. You also have another adjustment strap, and I'm going to attach this into the wig as well on the sides. And this is what the strings look like up close. Kind of have a knot to hold it in place. And with this wig, I'm wearing an HD wig cap, and I already applied the wig cap. It's super thin, and I'm just going to go in with some foundation and just apply it all over, and then I'm going to pop the wig on. So this is how she is looking. These wigs, the hairline is super clean. No need to bleach it. However, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I did bleach it just a little bit, and I probably shouldn't have because I felt like I over bleached it a bit. But now I'm going to move on to glue. So I'm just applying the glue onto my forehead area, and as you can see, this is the second layer of glue, and I'm doing 2 layers because I'm not planning on wearing this wig for a whole week or anything. I just want 2 layers so I can probably wear it for a couple days, and that's it. Once the glue becomes clear, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it down. You want to make sure it's clear and it's still not white, because if it is white, you're going to see it on your lace, especially with these HD lace. They are very thin lace. Like, are you seeing that lace? It's super thin. Now I'm going to do a center part. It looks a little crazy right now, but I'm going to fix it later, and I'm just going to cut away all the extra lace on the side and cut away some of that lace. So I like to apply my lace wigs in sections. You guys know that I like to apply the front, then to the side. So I'm doing the side right now, and again, I'm just going to do 2 layers of glue and then go in with my rat tail comb. And next I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, just to speed up the process so the glue can dry fast, and then pull that lace down, and voila. I like to use these little tiny scissors. I got them on Amazon. I'm not really sure of the brand, but I do love using tiny little scissors instead of using the eyebrow razor. You know, everyone has their preference. And I'm going to go in with some 𝐒𝐷 free spray just to, you know, melt down the edge of that lace. You can also use melting spray as well, but I'm using the 𝐒𝐷 today. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away the lace in the front. I love how the hairline looks in the front as well. I like that it kind of has a V shape, and I naturally have a widow's peak, so I love the hairline on these wigs. It just looks really clean, and you don't have to really put a lot of work into it for it to look good. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away the extra lace on the other side as well. Like I said, guys, the only thing I wish I didn't really do is bleach the knots in the front, because it wasn't really necessary. And you can bleach the knots in the back as well if you plan on wearing this wig in a high ponytail. I don't think the knots look super obvious in the back, to be honest, but you know, it looks pretty good. Now as you can see, I'm going back in with the 𝐒𝐷 free spray, and I'm just melting down that lace and cutting away all the extraness. Now I'm gonna go put my makeup on. Now guys, this is actually 2 weeks later. So I filmed the video and I didn't finish filming the whole thing, and this is me wearing the wig 2 weeks later. I've actually been rocking it here and there, but yeah, this is how it's looking. I melted it down. I tied it down in the front with some hair mousse, and this is pretty much the finished look. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten that wig down. And I also washed this wig as well, so this is like what it looks like after I washed it and wore it a few times. Now I'm going to attempt to do a low ponytail, so I'm going to go in with an elastic band. You guys know how to do a ponytail, and I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like in the back. So I'm going to turn around now and you guys can see how the 360 wig looks in the back. So this is what it's looking like. It's not the most perfect ponytail, but you can see a little bit of my baby hair peeping through, but it actually looks pretty decent. It looks a lot better than I thought it would look. Now if I was going to wear in a high ponytail, I think I would take out just a little bit of hair on the back and just cut them a lot shorter, and I think it would give it more of a natural, better look. And I also feel like if it was like a 150 density, it would be a lot easier to put in a ponytail as well. So as you can see, I'm just showing you guys how I do it. There is a comb in the back, and that comb will secure it in the back so it looks really good in the back and it's not looking all crazy. And the adjustment straps also help to keep the wig in place in the back as well. So I do think this is a pretty cool idea, having the straps in the back, having them be more invisible and not noticeable, because then it gives it a better look. So yeah, this is pretty much a completed video. I hope this install video was actually helpful to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video very soon. I love you guys. Bye.